Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to replace a headlight bulb on a Nissan Frontier. First, gather your tools, which typically include a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the engine is cool before starting any work. It is also important to know your specific bulb type. For many Frontiers, the high and low beam headlight bulb is a 9007. Having the right bulb ready makes the process much smoother. Now let's get to the bulb. Open your hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see an electrical connector. Press its release tab and pull it straight off the bulb's base. Next, find the round white plastic locking collar. Rotate this collar 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release the bulb. On the passenger side, you might find it easier to remove the 12-volt battery for better access to the headlight housing. With the locking collar released, gently pull the old bulb straight out of the housing. When handling your new bulb, it is crucial to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands. Oils from your skin can create hot spots, significantly shortening the bulb's lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, making sure any alignment tabs or notches are correctly seated. Push it in firmly until it feels secure. Once the new bulb is in place, rotate the white plastic locking collar 1/4 turn clockwise to secure it. Then, push the electrical connector back onto the base of the new headlight bulb until you hear it click, ensuring a secure connection. If you remove the 12-volt battery, reinstall it now. Finally, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. You've successfully replaced your Nissan Frontier headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.